Hey, it's Brad, CoasterB. I'm back here with another vlog, and I'm joined with Jojo, aka the Jojo Roll. And we also have some friends and work colleagues with us today. We're at the Crange Kirmes. Let's go. The Crange Kirmes is a German fun fair. This is a Volksfest. This is the 542nd time it's been here. Woo. So it's got a lot of history to it. There's some big rides here, some big coasters, including the Alpina Bahn, which I'm really excited to get onto again. And yeah, some really cool things here. It's quite expensive, but I'll let you know prices and things. It's also worth mentioning that this attracts 4 million visitors every year, so it's a massive fair, and also there's 500 different showmen and women here presenting their food stalls, rides and roller coasters. So it's a big thing. It's one of the biggest fun fairs in Germany, and I'm really excited to be back here again this year. All right, we're going to jump on the Revolution Wildmaus. This is from 2019, and it looks really fun. This one has a bank curve, unlike the standard layouts. And I've got some work colleagues here, so it should be really fun. Let's go. We've already got this ride! Bei der Heide That was.
Beverly's grabbed the tea, guys.
Hey! Oh, you can spin.
Yahoo!
Oh
my god, it's
Diese Stimmung hier.
Oh, we're done. Oh, amazing. We just got off the Heide the Coaster Wildmaus. What did you guys think? What do you think, Beth?
That was a bumpy ride. I enjoyed it.
I
liked it.
It's like being in a car crash. It was fun. It was quite smooth. It was fun. I liked it. Right, on to the next thing. What have you got there, Liv?
Got Pommes XXL with Rostübel.
How much is that?
€4.50.
Not bad, not bad. What have you got, Beth?
And Melon and Becker
Yeah, lovely.
was €4.
Very nice. Okay, we're on the shake and roll, which is actually my favorite flat ride of all time. Yay! A Montage shake, and it's like a break dance, but you go upside down. I absolutely love it. The trick is you got to move your body forward and backwards to get a good swing going on the car. Okay, here we go. Fast forward, no stop. We have a beaten path before us. It was all. Okay. 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 I haven't eaten much.
I've never
so much.
Mate, that may be the best chicken run we've ever had.
We do this every year. It's one of our like classics.
Yeah.
That was the best ride I've ever had on that ever.
Amazing.
Woo! I am generally really dizzy.
That was amazing.
That was absolutely phenomenal. A must-do ride. I absolutely love that. So good.
exceptional.
If you've watched my channel, you know that I absolutely love drop towers. So we're gonna head on to Hangover. This is an 85-meter tall fun time drop tower. One of the largest traveling ones as well. So can't wait to get back on this. All right, here we go. We're on the Hangover Tower. This is 85 meters tall, it's around 270 feet. It's one of the largest traveling drop towers in Europe. We're gonna start off with a little drop. Just a little one, just to get us going. Okay, we're gonna head on now to the Mack Wildmaus. This is from 1994 and it's a Wildmaus XXL. In 2012, they extended the track, made it higher, bigger, added some bigger drops on it. So it's definitely a unique Wildmaus and it's really, really fun. It's also €8 to ride, which I think is a little bit expensive, but we're gonna jump on it anyway.
Yeah.
Crazy axle straight away. Yeah, the trims are off. The trims are off. It's trimless. It's not bloody trim. Oh!
What is no trim? This is wild.
No, no trims. No trims.
Oh! Janky girl.
Oh, little trim.
Oh!
Wow.
Okay,
Little trim.
little trim there, little trim. Woo!
Oh, safety trim.
Oh!
Bunny hill, bunny hill.
Yeah! Oh!
Brake run.
Oh, my leg! Okay, woo,
I was used and abused, but that was very good.
That was very good. Very good Wildmaus. One of the best Wildmauses out there. These guys just got off the Wildmaus. What do you think?
One crazy time.
Amazing.
Quite painful.
Liv, how you doing?
Just threw up second time today.
Oh God.
Officially not having fun.
Oh dear. It's got a little clip there of AJ. You don't like roller coasters.
I hate more stuff. I want to die.
Could never be me. So every single time we go to a park, we get churros. So we're going to start doing a bit called Churros Time. So how much were these, Joe?
Today they were €5.
Not bad, not bad.
Little cinnamon sugar.
Out of 10.
Ooh. I didn't expect it to be that good, actually.
I'm gonna give those an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, they're an 8, 8.5.
These are fantastic.
I did not expect it to be that good. I thought it would be a bit
Wow. This is Infinity, it's a KMG ride, absolutely massive. I'm gonna skip it this time, but some of my friends here are gonna go on it. And it's absolutely humongous. And the last time I rode it, I'm scared of heights, even though I love drop towers. I know it makes no sense, but this was too much for me. Like, I just don't know. I'm gonna give it a skip, but it's a really good ride.
Kom maar heel schön, es ist nach oben. Das ist die größte transportable Schaukel der Welt.
How was Infinity, bro?
That was
Is it good?
yeah. Hang time just.
All right, we're making our way now to the Alpina Bahn, which is the Schwarzkopf roller coaster. This is the second largest traveling roller coaster, the first one obviously being Olympia Looping. This year, Olympia Looping is in Hamburg, so we've got the Alpina Bahn here. It opened in 1983, and in 2020 it got upgraded with Gerstlauer trains. And it's 89 feet tall, 50 miles an hour, and from what I remember, it's really smooth, especially for a traveling roller coaster. Here we go! Woo! Woo! Little pre-drop. Little pre-drop. And... Yeah! We're pausing. We just came off the Alpina Bahn. Joe, what did you think?
I thought that was amazing. Very smooth. Schwarzkopf, very, very smooth kind of ride.
It did have a couple janky transitions.
The transitions are a bit meh.
But it was very smooth for its age. It's a great coaster, great first drop as well. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
It's definitely held up over the years. It's definitely a great ride. It's still going strong. And if you see this at a fair, go ride it. It's very good.
Agreed.
It's also probably worth mentioning that this costs €8 to ride as well, which I think is a little bit expensive, but I guess in these days, it's becoming normal. I've had a really good day so far. I've done the rides that I wanted to do. It's very expensive here, so like you really have to choose what you want to do, otherwise you end up spending an absolute fortune. But I'm really happy right now just to walk around, take in the atmosphere and get as much kind of footage as I can with my camera. So yeah, I'm having a good time. Alright, next up is the Logflume. This is one of the largest travelling Logflumes out there. It's €7 to ride. I think it's a little bit pricey myself, but my colleagues are going to give it a go, and I'm going to stand off ride and get some footage for them.
Und die Harten kommen bei uns in den Garten. Die Fische bleiben, wir sind doch Bären, keine Kirmes. Action! Sieh nur, wie sie uns zusehen, ganzen.
How was it?
Amazing. I loved it. We got the obligatory water ride photo. Marie at the front did get the wettest. What do you guys think?
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah?
I love it.
Amazing.
Okay, I'm going to call it a wrap there. I've had a great day. Been a good time, Joe?
Yeah!
Our next vlog is going to be from Cedar Point in Ohio. Well, I can't wait. But that's it from me, CoasterB, and I'll see you all next time here in another vlog. Bye.